Hi viewers, today let us see how to generate the ISBN number for any newsletter or magazine etc. So based on the trademark or particular monographic development, how can we develop a ISBN number? So first of all, we have to go for the website. So normally in website, you just go to Google search and isbn.gov.in. You just give it. So after that, the website page will appear. So this is the main home page of this ISBN. So actually, this website is developed by the Government of India and Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education is mainly followed. So the name of the Rajaram Mohan Rai National Agency for ISBN is the Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Government of India developed this book publications. So whenever you create a new books and you are writing any new books, it may be a Tamil or in English, any monographic articles or some newsletters, magazines or library books, everything can be published here and we can able to get a ISBN number. So ISBN number is nothing but International Standard Book Number. So shortly it described as a ISBN. So it is a unique international publishers identifier number. So like our identification number, it is unique number. The same number will not be given for some other books or magazine etc. So here a lot of informations are available in this website itself, how to register, how to apply, and how can you log in the particular page, and user manual, everything is available here. So you just click this user manual. The user manual will be appear here. So the Rajaram Mohan Rai National Agency. So the abbreviation is RRNA. So it is for ISBN. So this is your manual for ISBN getting the different magazine or newsletter or any publications. So lot of informations are available here. So it is one of the ISO standardized agency for publication of any new books. So what is the benefits of this ISBN? So unique identification identifier for monographic publications. So the publication is nothing but our any books, new books. If you are publishing, you want to publish for your own article. So for that you can get this ISBN number and long bibliographic descriptive records of the particular persons can be properly given to this website, and it facilitates compilation and updating the book trade directories, and all databases are available, and book in print catalogs also available. Information on available books can be found easily. So based on this number identification, whatever you want to track, that a particular book can be easily get or identify from the access during the library or any particular area. We can easily track that particular book. So this ISBN number is consist of 13 digit number. So it is a machine readable. It is in the form of 13 digit, and it is very fast and avoid different mistakes, and it is running of electronic point of sale systems in bookshops, and many publishing and supply chain systems are based on the ISBN also. So different terms and conditions are there. So check digits is very important thing. Final character in ISBN string, which is related to all preceding characters in string format, and specified mathematical algorithm. So the accuracy of the ISBN string and the continuing resources. So publication that is issued over time with no predetermined conclusion, and made available to public in any product form. So next is DOI. So it is one of the important thing we have to remember. So DOI name, part of the DOI system, which is specified in the ISO standardization of 26324, and a persistent actionable identifier for any entity. It may be a physical, digital, or abstract on digital network. So digital right management, the DRM is also technology-based encryption software. So used to control access to the content, and which is distinct from the product term for a specific digital publication. And edition, so it is important thing in which edition you are publishing everything. That can be written. For example, if you want to mention the year, that year should be mentioned there. And GS1 prefix, it is unique string of 3-digit issued by GSN, that is global office and allocated exclusively for ISBN agency based on the ISBN standard. Next is impression, a print run of given edition of a book. So there may be a several impression, that is reprint is essential. So that can be done with the help of this impression. And another thing is imprint, a trade name or brand under which a work is published. So different logo and the different trade name should be there. For example, if you are giving TVS, that TVS should not be already available. So that is very important thing. So next ISBN. So International Standard Book Number is an identifier. So for monographic publications allocated under ages of the ISBN agency to a resident accordance with the specifications of uh, international standard ISO 2108 information and documentation. So next monographic publication, already I have explained to you. So what are the authors name we have to add, whether it is public in any product form, everything can be mentioned while you enter the form in publication area. So next to print on demand and product form details, product form feature, publisher, registrant, every informations are available here. So you go and go through everything, and based on your trademark or based on your publication, you can apply and register for this. Finally, you will get an ISBN number based on your submission. So different procedures we have to follow here, everything available here. And so that 13-digit number is like this. So if you get the ISBN number for any particular publication, for example, any new book or any other newsletter or magazine, etc. So this is the formatter. So you will get ISBN, after that 978-5300-5395-6. Likewise, the number will be varied, depends on the application number. So this particular field consists of 5 field. One is GS1 element and registration group element, registration element, publication element, and the check digit. So this 5 important criteria should be considered in this 13 digit of ISBN number, and based on that you will get a ISBN number. So let us move to apply for the ISBN. So you go to the website, and here initially you have to register for this process. So in registration, you just click register, and your basic details are essential to fill here. So here you can tick. Already I have some login ID. So here I can't able to create it. So once if you are a new user, here you can apply. So all basic details are asked here, and one more important thing, your PAN number and also your Aadhaar number is required to upload and also enter that number in this registration process. Once the registration is over, next you can move to application process. So how to apply procedures also available here, whether you are commercial publisher or institutional publisher or institutional author or self-published by author or individual publisher. Likewise, the 5 category of publishing for the particular monographic publication is available. So when you are selecting the commercial publisher, so if you are here the user manual also available. So for this, what kind of publication you want to make, so everything can be appear here. So if you are a commercial publisher means what kind of product you are going to make. So who are commercial publisher? So the commercial publisher refers to an entity, typically a business or company. So if you are a owner of the particular company, or if you have some concern, so that operates with the profit and specialized in the production and dissemination of literature, so academic text or any magazine, other type of written content, electronic content. So these kind of publication can consider under commercial publisher category. And for this, these are the some steps for applying the ISBN number. In phase 1 and phase 2, phase 3, what kind of activity will be done. So initially you have to get approval for registration. It is phase 1. After that, approval of ISBN category, and finally allotment of ISBN number. So these are the 3 phases here you have to follow. So commercial publisher, this is first category. Next, institutional publisher and institutional author. Likewise, different categories are there. So for this, the pre-registration and login, post-registration, ISBN request, and add books. What kind of books you want to add, everything can be added here. And ISBN issuance also there, and final title verse pages also appeared here. So this is pre-registration form. So you have to log in here and enter all the personal details, and finally you will get a approval process. So this is one category. So next we move to institutional publisher. So entire institutional, if you are a educational institution, so at the time the what kind of organization, whether it is a private institution or government colleges or any university or research institution, any other society, so that kind of information you want to publish, everything can be taken as a entire college or entire institutional materials or entire magazine. That content will be properly applied for this institutional publisher. So next category is institutional author. Any individual person can take an as a responsibility for entire institution, and they can take a responsibility, and the particular information can be written here, and finally the publication will be over. So next category is self-published by author. So this is a main important thing. So in this category, any one of the person, those who are an Indian citizen, they can able to publish their own publications. That is, any individual person independently publishes without any getting any approval from other institution or some other persons or any of the third party. We can publish what kind of new informations or books we want to publish. Everything can be applied and publish our publications or new books. So in this category, you can apply this. So normally in institutional level, if you want to apply any newsletter, for example, department wise newsletter or magazines, some other books, individual persons, they can able to write lot of books based on their specialization. They want to get a ISBN number from the government sector. So at the time they can able to get a ISBN number. So for example, if a group of peoples from various colleges, they are jointly writing a different books. For example, in electronics domain, any digital electronics or basic electrical circuits or any electronic devices or analog communication. Likewise, some other books are written by the different authors from various institutions. They are giving all collection of information, and we are writing all the different information for the particular topics under the particular curriculum and syllabi. And finally, we can scrutiny everything properly and apply for this publication. So at that time, we will get ISBN number. Similarly, any newsletter, magazine, for that also we can able to get a ISBN number. So here we can just enter. So now I am login my ID. So here you can give login. So here I just give a login ID, and you can give the password. So here enter your CAPTCHA. Now it is processing. Next it moves to next web page. Here already I have mentioned my name. So while the registration process, that name is appear here. So self-published author. So whatever thing I want to publish, I registered in self-published author. So here it mentioned in this front page or home page of this website. So now we can apply for this. So what type of application you want to apply? So here you just click this my application. So under this, so what kind of publication you want to know? New application. So for example, if you want to publish new book or any new magazine, newsletter, etc. So here you can apply for the new application, and you can give the name of the author, and what designation and organization name, etc. you want to give, that can be given here. And after that, what is the title of your publication? For example, if you give any book name, that book name can be appeared here, or you just give the book name, or any newsletter, that newsletter name, or magazine, that magazine name. Similarly, published by. So already I mentioned I am a self-publisher. So I can give self-published. So my name is mentioned here. And if you want to add any co-authors, you can add also. So if you put here, put yes, so add co-author will be enabled. So you can add the different author's name, and you have to select any one of the particular field, at least one field. So in which category you are going to apply. So here, if you apply any books, educational books means you just click it, or any literature work, or any arts, or some child books, or any cultural related things, or in form of CDs, everything can be applied here. So for magazine or newsletter, I just give others. So once if you give this others, it will move to next step. So after next step here, we have to give some declaration, and we just click this both to checkbox and save everything. So now what happened? Everything will be saved. So immediately you will get a mail. Your application number, that is application number, will be given for this particular title of the publication, and everything appear in this particular area. So your application number will be immediately received by your personal mail. So now you want to check it, you just go through it. So previously I have applied. So these are the ISBN number, application number. So in this, what action we have, that is the ISBN have taken, and in which date we submitted, and what is the application number for our book, and earned mark, and apply ISBN, book status level, and ISBN number allotted. Everything can be appear here. So first times I don't know how to apply for this properly, and I made a lot of mistakes. So due to this, my ISBN number is rejected. So that can be mentioned here and appear here also. So we can view. So in application reference number, it is the given by the ISBN only, and the name of the author, co-author, everything is available. But in published by, so in this the designation, college name or some other thing should not be appear. It should not enter in this particular field because we only mentioned self-published by. So we have to give only our name. So because of this reason, this first time it was rejected. So similarly, some other reason, the reason is mentioned. So for what reason that particular ISBN application is rejected, everything is mentioned here also. So we should not put any other institution detail or designation detail near of the author field. So because of this reason, 3 times it was rejected. That rejected reason also available here. So once the details are correct and everything is accepted by the ISBN, automatically here the earmarked 0 available, 0 used 0, that can be replaced by 1. For example, here ISBN number is allotted for this particular application number. So here you can view. So what application I have given. So this is application reference number, and I mentioned the editor or author of the particular book and co-author. After that, our nationality and title of the book or publication. Here we have to mention only our name. We should not mention any other college name or any other address, and our mail ID, entire this details already available while we registered in the particular registration process. So this detail is available. So after that, number is allotted. Now you can view. So view book details. So here you have to upload. After completion of all editing work, you can see that book. So this is our book title, and ISBN number is allotted here. It is a 13-digit number. So already one time it was rejected. That rejected details also viewed here, and accepted detail and allotted ISBN number also available here. So it is a 13-digit ISBN number. So year of publication and date of publication. So in this column, product form, I just mentioned ebook reader. So there we have to select whether it is a ebook reader or a CD form or any other hard copy of book or any trademark. Likewise, lot of information will be asked while you select the publication. So I just select my content is in the form of ebook. So I select ebook reader, and ISBN number was altered. Similarly, second time also I tried and apply for the another book. So here also we can see the application number for the particular book and different name. That title of publication is different and this title also different. So when both titles are same, again it will be rejected. So you have to clearly mention the publication fields and title of the publication properly. So here also the allotted ISBN number is available. So ISBN allotted is there, and in this particular field we can see book title and author name and ISBN number and year of publication and in which date we are published, and it is a e-book reader, and India is our country. So these all details are available here. So likewise you can able to apply for ISBN whether it may be a different new books. If you are an author for any particular book, it may be a child comic books or any other detective stories or some other educational books, etc. For that we can use it. So this is the different procedure we have to follow for apply the ISBN. So once ISBN number is allotted, finally after completing your entire book, you can upload the soft copy of this entire book in this uploading area. Thank you all. I hope everyone understand my concept, how to apply for the ISBN. So kindly like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.